I don't know if I should be afraid or not to open this box. It's looking pretty Canadian. Who knows what could be inside? Let's open it. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns. Oh, is there any and everything down below? Now then. Are you concerned about that? Yeah. It's a lot of money sitting there, I know. We'll open those in a different video. But today, I have this special Canadian box. What possibly could it be? Look at this! Potato pool! Oh, wow! There really is a potato Deadpool. I knew it wasn't just some joke. And there it is, the potato pool. Yes, only available in Canada. Love it! Yeah! So cool. It really does exist. So until next time.